Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a very blue halo eye using the Wet n Wild 40 palette. I love this palette. It's so good. I just honestly used these shades right here, like these, not all 6 of them, but all these blue shades because I've just been dying to use them. I typically hate blue eyeshadows. You may know that if you've been with my channel for a while, but I love how this look came out. For this video, I'm not doing a voiceover just because this palette doesn't have any shade names, but I'll link all the products down below in the description box. And if you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to ask in the comments down below. And yeah, so let's get into the tutorial. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. I'm trying to hit 1,000 on Instagram, so please make sure you're following me there. I'm like about 60 away, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. And yeah, that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.